Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 6.9, passing arguments by values. As I explained many times, methods are the operational blocks in Java programs. Every Java program can perform its task through the method. Methods are like missions. A block of code, you can illustratively you can treat it like a mission which can perform. It receives some input and gives output like this. Now we have to provide inputs to it. If it requires, we have to provide inputs to it. For that purpose, what we do, we make the method calls, and through method call we pass arguments. Method call is nothing but switching on the machine. Method call is nothing but switching on the machine. And if method requires input and all that, we have to pass them through the arguments. As far as Java is concerned, we can pass arguments only through values, pass by value. Why I am specially telling pass by value? In C, there are two ways. One is pass by value, second one is pass by address. Whereas in C++, there are three ways: pass by value, pass by address, and pass by reference. Three ways. But Java supports only one way, that is pass by value. Anything we have to pass by values. Now, in these two variants are there. In passing arguments, we may pass primitives or we may pass references. References means object references. But both are passed by values. That point you must understand. This theoretically you may not understand it completely. That's why through a segment of code, I am not writing entire formal code of the program. Only required segment I am writing. Now this one is relating to primitives, this one relating to object references. Now you see the mechanism. Now calculate floor area is a method. For that purpose, formal arguments are L and B, all int type. Return type is also int. A local variable we declared for area A, int A. What is the formula for area? Floor area, length into breadth. We are returning it. This many times, this example I have given to you. Then here you see actual arguments: int length is equal to 15, breadth is equal to 12. This you treat it as a mission. Mission is ready. Now this is the switch. This is the switch. This is calling of the method. And what we are passing? We are passing the actual arguments. Length and breadth we are passing. Actual arguments we are passing. L and B are the parameters or formal arguments which are meant for receiving the copies of the values. So by this calling, what is happening? The length value, what is that? 15 is copied into L, formal argument. The breadth value, what is that? 12 is copied into B, formal argument. So here L and B, the values are provided to the machine, to the method. In turn, these are provided here. L and B, that means 15 and 12, are available as inputs to this machine or method. Then A is equal to L into B and return A. Return A. So in turn it is passed here. That already explained. Here what you are doing? You are passing the copies of the values. If you pass actual values or copies of the values, what you are passing? Passing arguments by values. That in case of primitives, these are primitives. If it is a reference also, it is like that, but you should have a little background about object reference. For this purpose, the essential prerequisite is you must have the knowledge of the first chapter. Then only you can understand that. If you randomly study, you come directly to 6th chapter and all that, you may not derive even 20% of the benefit. As I told you already, these are strictly organized in a logical order, a strategic order. So even one concept if you miss, one concept you study precisely and all that, somewhere it leads to a doubt. That point always you remember. If you have to understand this, you must have the knowledge of all the elements in the first chapter. Okay, now you see, now room is the class, and R1, one object I created, and a new room. What I pass? 15, 12, 10. 15 is length, 12 is the breadth, and 10 is height. This is the position. This is the position R1, object reference, and this is the real object, and both are room type. And as it is created on heap and all that, we cannot give name. How can we give name? On stack only we give name. Then this is the object reference, this is the object. This knowledge you must have. Thereafter, we can pass this object reference through a method. What is the method? This is instance method. Demo room. Demo room is the instance method. I am calling via instance R1. R1, and what I am passing? I am passing R1 only. So this method is receiving it. Who can receive it? Here you are passing integer type. You are passing integer type primitive. So integer type formal argument, it receives it. You are passing integer type breadth. Who is integer type primitive? Received it. Here what you are passing? You are passing room type object reference. Room type object reference. So which can receive it? Room type another object reference can receive it. Then that's why room type R2 I made. So this is copied into this. This is copied into this. That means suppose this reference is copied into R2. As a result of that, what happens? This is R2. This status is created. That means there is only one object. There are no two objects. It is like one kite, but we tied two threads to it. Understand? Here also you should not call it as call by reference. If you deeply think, you can understand that. We are passing values only. Actually one kite is there. Kite we treat as value. Now what we are doing? One more thread we tied. So R1 is referring to this object. In the same manner, R2 also referring the same object. This you should not understand as pass by reference. You should understand pass by value. So what is the conclusion? In case of Java, if you want to pass arguments to a method, the arguments may be primitive type or reference type. Both are passed through values. Okay. Whereas in C, C++, C support two. One is passed by value, passed by address. C++ support three. Passed by value, passed by address, and passed by reference. In case of Java, there is only one way. Either it is primitive or it is a reference type. Both are passed by values.